Hello everyone. Am I audible? You can type in the chat. Yeah. Yes, I audible. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Uh, First of all, welcome everyone to this webinar. So, this webinar is conducted by DLead International. DLead International is an edutech company. We are providing futuristic courses for the students at uh, minimal prices. And we are currently working in UAE and India. So our director is Dr. Thomas George K. He's the chairman and founder of a management college at Kerala, Palakkad. So we have some sister concerns. We have Golf Finder and Course Genizer as our other companies. We are providing various courses. So DLead International. So you can refer our website for more information about our courses and all. So today we are going to start our webinar on the topic AI generated creatives. So introduction to Adobe FireFly. That's it. Can we start? Just chat. Can we start? Yes, sir. So before we starting about our topic, just I'm uh, want to know you about some things like AI. So everyone is familiar of ChatGPT, I guess. Oh, so ChatGPT is a AI platform many of us are using for getting valuable informations rather than Google search. So ChatGPT was introduced in 2022, and became popular just in few months. So after the introduction of ChatGPT, many companies started hosting their AI platforms, not only in normal searching or AI copilot mode. Uh, Companies are uh, using their AI, building AI tools in creative field, documentation, media field, editing field, then builders, coding, all the field is taken by AI. Hardware fields are already taken a few years ago by artificial intelligence. We have many AI robots are currently in the market. So after introduction of ChatGPT, uh, companies from startups to major companies like Adobe started their work on AI to bring new tools to the public. So Firefly is one of such a platform. Actually, Firefly is a public platform to demonstrate the tools Adobe is using in their premium softwares like Adobe Photoshop. Just one question: how many of you seen content creators that uh, using Adobe's beta version generative field to edit the pictures? They are just typing the prompts and uh, like they edit the images, changes images like uh, whatever their imagination. You have seen, like, how many of you seen? Just type in the chat box. How many of you seen that? Yes, Mehrab is seen. Yes, many of you seen. So, do you think how this is working actually? Anyone thought about how these kind of tools are making such things by typing a text? How many of you thought about how it's work? It's AI, but actually what we do is AI uses many resources like whatever available in the internet. Then we type some prompts. Actually, that messages or things we type is called prompts. These prompts are identified, then the prompts are taken into creative manners by resource analysis and learning from other resources, etc. That's the work is done. So artificial intelligence can be used in every field, uh, but creative field is one of the biggest industry now. So just introduction to AI. So you can study AI and build such tools and platforms like what other companies did. You can expertise machine learning, creative field. Also, you can learn creative fields and use this platform to improve your creative skills. So I am not taking much time to elaborate all those things. Let's start and do our activities on uh, Adobe FireFly. If you are in a PC or laptop, you can just go to the website called Adobe FireFly. Actually, Adobe's official website has the Firefly feature. This is the platform I see. I think you can see that, right? You can see the platform. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is official web platform of or website of our Adobe. Here you can see that Adobe Firefly option here. So just go on through the website. You can identify the features of Adobe Firefly. So tools like their most modern AI tools is text to image is the one of the major tool. Generative fill is a one tool. Then text effects is a tool. Then generative recolor is a tool. Then 3D to image is another tool. But then extended image. These are the 6 tools available. But the 2 tools I mentioned, that is 3D to image and extended image tool, is currently under development process. It is not available now. It will be available in the future. So today we are going to analyze the most modern 4 tools available in this platform. And this Firefly is actually a cloud platform for the public to explore these tools freely. So actually these tools are available in the official apps, like the generative fill tool is actually available in the Photoshop. Do you heard of Photoshop? And you know that Photoshop. So generative fill is available in Photoshop. Illustrator is another tool, professional tool to create illustrations, vectors, creative art, etc. So the generative recolor feature is available in the beta version of Illustrator actually. Then the other two tools like text to image and text effects is available in the Adobe Express. Okay. So if we want to work professionally, you can purchase these softwares and work on. If you want to try out, you can use Adobe Firefly. So let's start with the generative fill actually. So if you are in the laptop, you can uh, sign up, then go to this page and start create with Firefly in generative fill. So generative fill is actually uh, the tool you are all familiar with. Like the content creators was much focusing on generative fill in Adobe version. So actually, I'm just explaining the tool. This tool is reconstruct images. Like if you have a existing image or photo of ourselves or anything, you can just make modifications by typing the prompt, like selecting the area and typing the prompt. So if you want to upload an image from your computer, if your personal selfie, etc., you can upload here, or you can drag and drop from a Google Cloud or Google anywhere, or you can try out the examples given here. So just I am trying out the example. So here's a picture of a lady. So I'm taking this picture for our purpose. So this is the generative fill working background you are going to look up. So the tools are here. So insert tool. Insert tool is actually we use the brush tool to uh, clear an area or select an area. Then we can type the prompt. This is the prompt bar. So I have cleared the portion here. Now I am typing prompt like a beautiful hat with brown color. So you can also try out. So it will take time to generate the area with our appropriate prompt. In between, I am saying that AI is a powerful tool. Okay, this is the edited image. You can see that we have 4 varieties of images are available. This is the first image, this is the second image, third, and fourth. So if you want to have more examples or more samples of the editor, you can press more version, then it will appear more samples. Like I want to say that AI is taking up all the fields, but actually correct prompts make correct edits actually. So if you are correctly prompting something, then it will uh, correctly describes our image and gets an accurate output. So this is the hat. So just want to say that uh, consider or imagine a beach side of your expectation or your imagination. When I say a beachside view, uh, what all things comes to your mind? A beach view is consisting of a plain blue color beach. Uh, some children is playing in the sand. Some are taking sun bath. That's our imagination. Just I am prompting, I am saying that beach view. That's our imagination comes with variety of stuffs there. But when I say beach view here, the AI will generate such a small beach with some plain background, something like that. But if we type like there are 2 children in the beach, there are people are taking sunbath, there are some water sports happening there, then the AI will be using that information to generate such things. So now I am saying that I am going to describe one more prompt. So I am keeping this edit here. Then now I am using pan tool to uh, move a bit, and I'm using the same insert tool and wiping the area of her clothes. I want to create a passport size photo. So I am removing that area and I am typing the prompt like I want a professional suit, like a uniform, something. I'm typing professional suit with tie, with the tie. So I'm generating that. So what happens here? Uh, her clothes will be changed to a professional suit with a tie. So and we will have a small samples. So let's see what happens. So the use case I'm telling is that if you are in an urgent time to get some passport size source photo of your, so during that time you can use this platform to create or edit your image to your professional photograph. So now it's a beautiful suit with type. I can select which one I prefer. I prefer this. I'm keeping this. Now the background looks weird. I want to change the background to a plain background. I have background tool here. I'm selecting it. Now the background is fully erased. Now I am for a passport size photo. I think you have seen passport size photo. The background will be usually what plain. So I am saying that blue plain background with no effects. So I correctly define that. If I am just texting like a blue black background with uh, no effects, it will be clearly create a background with a single color. Otherwise, it will generate some sky or something like that. That will be a worst case. Now I have the correct image. Now I am using the remove tool to remove, because before that keep. Then I am using the remove tool to erase the hat, because in a professional uh, image or photograph, we don't use hats. So I'm removing it. So let's see. Yes. Okay. Now you got a professional passport size photo for your uh, academical or any activity. Okay. You don't want to go on for a shop to get a picture. Just take a selfie, edit it using this platform, and you can use it anywhere you want. So that's it. Now these are the tools available. The some other tools are subtract is already we used. So we can adjust the settings of brush. We can increase the size of the brush to remove or select. Then invert option is available. Invert option is like if you are selecting a particular area, like I am selecting the face, then I invert it, then the opposite selection will be selected. That's it. So clearing it. This is the edited version. Now you can download it. I said that this is the what free platform. So you cannot download the image without any watermarks, because the Adobe Firefly will be adding watermarks to this image. Can you see this? I think it's a no. Actually, okay. This is the image I am generating. Can you see this currently? I'm yes, okay. So you can see that there is a watermark Adobe Firefly beta image not for commercial use. So that's the problem. But you can, I think if you are in a Windows device, you can snip the portion and use it, but it will be low quality, but you can use that. That's it. Now or crop it and use. So now this is the generative fill. This is actually available in say Adobe Photoshop. If you want to study Adobe Photoshop, you can use this in a better manner. So that's it. Now we can go to our next tool, that is say text effects. So we are going to learn about text effects. So text effects is a tool we use. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. So text effects is what say, if you have a text like something, you can make your text into different styles. Okay, you see this is a G, like a peacock feather. So what we do here is we type the text, then we give the exact style of this text. So that's the thing we do. So I am giving, suppose I'm considering an situation like, if you're a student, you want to submit an assignment your topic is about forest. So I am going to do is you're designing your first title main page. So the main page or title page says assignment. So I am typing assignment. Then it says like one to so on that prompt, the first prompt is about the text, then the second prompt is about what style we need to describe. So I am typing about our style. I want to it's forest. So here what happened is that uh, the assignment text will be designed like a forest theme. So that's is what going to happen before. Yes, it's coming. So you can see that uh, there are various elements of a forest. If you want to change the theme, there are four options. In every tool, there will be four options available. You can either choose anyone from the prompt, anyone from the four, or you can go for generate a refresh again. So this is good. So you can rate the result because AI platform is still developing. You can rate the result so that it can learn. Actually, artificial intelligence is currently learning. So what happened here is the system itself learn. Uh, I think someone is drawing. So the system is learning itself from various resources. If you are rating this result is as good, it will be using more generatives like this. Otherwise, it will learn from the failures, then it will generate more accurate from next prompts onwards. So there are some sample prompts. You can say the snake theme is there. Just we can try out the snake theme, how it will be. Though the prompt is like holographic snake skin with the small shiny scales. Okay, this is the one kind of it's a 3D text. So there are some others are there. Then you can match shape. You can select the shape of the text. You can select the font of the text. Then background colors can be selected. Text colors currently not can be selected because if you select the text color, it will be uh, go into a single theme. I think. Let's see. No changes because snake theme. So this is text. It's a simple tool. It's available in the Adobe Express software actually. So now we are going to the next tool actually. So that is text uh, generative recolor. Okay. You can go to generative recolor. Okay. One doubt is that yes, you can try Adobe FireFly in your phones as well. It is working. I've tested it, but there will be a small lag. No problem, but you can use it in your phone to try out. So Adobe Generative Recolor is a good tool. What we do here is uh, we have various illustrations. Illustrations is generally graphic vectors, designs, artworks like paintings, like this. These are some examples. Uh, you can see many examples here. These are done by Adobe itself. Uh, and when you hover over any example, you can see this prompt. Actually, when you hover it, it says Sakura in the snow. That's the prompt for creating this. Uh, uh, Not creating actually. Currently, what we do here is we will try to change the color of the vectors. Okay, I'm selecting this cat and trying the prompt. So this is the platform. Here you can upload an SVG. SVG actually it's a vector format. Like if you are playing a video, it will be MP4. That's the file format. Like that, we have vectors with format SVG. So these are the four types. You can change the color. Uh, there are so many sample colors are available. This is yellow submarine, just testing it. So the full theme is changed into yellow, and there are default colors are there: blue, Tripsy Disco lights. Yes, good. So what is the purpose of this tool is that if we have a vector, if you're a designer, if you are doing something creative, you have a figure or a vector is there, you can change the colors without any further difficulty or uh, lots of editing time. You can save the editing time by just typing the color prompt and just generate the fill. So that is generative recolor tool. That's also a good tool provided by Adobe. So last tool is our text to image tool. So text to image tool is actually we can generate any type of art, images, or anything from a single prompt. So we should define the prompt. So I said earlier that we can imagine a beach view. Okay, so by just typing a beach view, the AI will generate the beach view with details. So that's the text to image tool. It is actually available in Adobe Express. So in cases if you want a poster, if you want a birthday poster, you can just type the prompt like birthday poster of this person, then it will generate a poster. And if you want to create a beautiful picture for to frame and you can showcase in your home, just type the scenario. If you have an imagination of something, just type the prompt, you can generate it like that. Okay, that's a simple text to image too. So we are going to try it out. Just click on create with family Firefly. So this is the first example page. There are a lot of examples available here because this is the most used tool in Adobe Firefly. So like look, that's a ocean with lighthouse. So the prompt is like an isolated iron lighthouse shining out to a sea at night as it sits on rocky stone island being battered by huge ocean waves, smoky orange cloud filling. That's a huge prompt so that it gets a beautiful, stunning image. Okay, that's it. So currently, I am going to just giving a simple prompt like beach view. So what happened here? Let's see what happens. So I'm generating it. So we get a warning that the prompt is too short. So maximize. Okay, these are the four text to image results. Okay, first image is let's see. These are all arts. Okay, you can change the content type here. Content type can be none. None can be like anything images, normal images. Photo specific photos can be created. If we are selecting graphics, it will be creating vectors or like digital illustrations. If it's art, it's like paintings. So currently I'm selecting photo. So what happens is it will be looking like a photo uh, taken in a camera. Yeah, okay. You think that it's a Google image of a particular location in our globe. Actually, not. It's generated image. It may be not seen anywhere in the world. it's fully reconstructed image. Okay. Likewise, we can create persons, uh, like we see persons faces, but it will no longer exist in the world. Okay. So this is the view. This is a simple view, not nothing much, just sand and water. So what I am going to do is I'm expanding my prompt like a beach view with children's children playing, and next we need some kind of water sports, and it's a morning time, and some people are taking sunbath. Okay. So you guys imagine what the image or what the situation we like, and we generate it. What AI will imagine and create will show up here. When okay, some other options here is we can select. Okay, we have got that. Okay, okay. So first image shows there are so many childrens. Okay, yes, children is corrected. There is no water sports available. Can you see any water sports? No. So what happens here is some of the prompts are not recognized by the AI. So these are being avoided by the AI. So when we refresh it, uh, what happens is another set of generation will be happened. Let's see how prompt is happened or not. Yes, now it's some kind of water sports is here. Yes, okay. So that's it. Now we can select the aspect ratio. We can select the size of the image. These are all square, 1:1 format. If you are selecting widescreen, it will be in large format. Then, as I said, content type is like you can select either photo, graphics, art, or none. You can select the style. Style is like filters, uh, like painting type or anything like that. Then color and tone can be selected, uh, black and white, warm tone, cool tone, etc. Then lighting effects can be done, like studio lighting is there, backlighting is there, anything can be selected. Then composition is like where the shot is taken, like shot from above, below, a wide shot. Uh, like that, we can customize our text to image properties. So currently, it's prompt like a beach with children playing water sports. It's morning time and some people are taking sunbath. So it's a photo, backlighting is there, it's a shot from above. So now look, it's a helicam shot. So likewise, you can edit the prompt. You can make many modifications as you want. So that's it. Now we try something else. So it's your time. Uh, there are so many chats. So uh, there are some doubts are there. I think it can be cleared in the last session. Okay. Now it's your turn. Tell some prompts. I will try it out here. First one who typing the prompt will be space rocket launch. Okay, I will. So that's a small prompt. If you have uh, more details, we can improve our generation or text image AI generation can be improved. Space rocket launch is good. Uh, to Mars with astronauts. Okay, that's good. And further updating before updating, this is the images. Looks good, right? So next, I'm updating my prompt as Pranav said. People in Mars with yes, that's good. Okay, let's try that one also. People in Mars with blue hat dancing with early. Actually, I don't know a string uh, with that, but that's imagination. Uh, let's try it. How AI is imagining all those things. Okay, just a second. I am saying that uh, human intelligence looks weird, but okay. Uh, so I'm saying that human intelligence and imagination is far, far, far uh, better than AI because our imagination, when we say like aliens, we have some imaginations, but AI is not trained on such resources or movies, but they create something like these kind of stuff. Uh, but uh, our prompts make what our results more accurate. If you are saying the exact details, even the minute details, we can create such stunning images or creatives like this. Uh, but if your prompt is not enough or the resources available is not enough, it will create some weird things. So that's it. Uh, so now I'm telling that AI is taking all the fields like job fields. But there comes new job fields for our new students and emerging young students. That is prompt writing. If you are able to write the prompt accurately for creating these type of things, then you will get new career opportunity here. So that's it. Uh, any other prompt that is need to okay, night sky with shooting stars. Yes, we need to try that. If you are in a laptop or phone, you can just try out. Okay. Any other interesting prompts? Okay, this. So I want to tell you some difference between art, picture, graphics, and this is a photo. Okay, this is exactly what we take in a DSLR camera or a smartphone. If you change the content type to graphic, it will be like painting. So let's see what happens. Okay, exactly like a painting. Okay, when it's come to art, sorry, graphics is like okay, graphics is like painting is like art, and graphic is like vectors, illustrations, or something like that. There are small changes between graphic and art. Designing is a more interesting career. Uh, like similar. Okay, so designing can be done uh, in various platforms like Figma. Figma is also a good platform for UI UX design, graphic design, vector design. We can create the images without help of AI. We can create images with our creative animations, etc. So also you can use AI tools in Figma as well. Uh, Also, you can try out Photoshop. Uh, all are creative field platforms we can try out. So God on Mars. Let's try that. This is the difference between our imagination and AI creation. So our imagination is like uh, there will be huge detailing, but AI will not create such detailing. Okay, happy Fatima. Messi and Ronaldo are hugging each other in a football ground. I don't know. This platform is trained on real people. Just try out. Mehrab Hussain. No, actually, not this platform is not trained with original content people or not people. That's why it's creating an art without revealing the face. Okay, so that's it. You can try out the platform, and once again, I am saying that you can study the courses if you want to study AI. You can approach us. We have courses providing on AI. You can learn designing as well. There are creative design uh, courses available. That's it. So one more thing I want to add. You can download the premium softwares like Adobe Photoshop and all from their respective sites. Creative Cloud is offering the softwares for uh, in a paid membership. You can try out that. So this is the Adobe Firefly platform, and with a video on details of Adobe Firefly, I will be approaching to the last segment, to the Q&A session of this webinar, 1 hour webinar. So I think you can see the uh, what's that email? So how was the session? You can get the details from our course academic counselors. The contact is already provided. You can go to our website as well for inquiries. So uh, 1 second. Let me show you a video of the entire platform. After that, we can go for a Q&A session. Please, 1 second. So we have discussed the 4 tools. Okay, we have some tools are in exploration. There are some other tools are also in developer mode, that is personalized this result. That is images is created from another object of our uh, style or object. Then text to vector is a in exploration tool. Then text to pattern is currently under development. Text to brush, sketch to image, and text to template are other tools that is Adobe is currently working on. So now let's see a video, a 2-minute video. Can you see the okay. I think hope everyone see that video. No? Hello? Hope everyone see that video. Yes, okay. So now it's time for Q&A. You can ask questions or doubts about. So when I try signing in there, saying that you do not meet age requirements or uh, okay, you can use your parents' ID. Mehrab, I think academic counselor can be, you can contact the academic counselor. We will provide the contact details here. What is the easiest course for the beginners? There are many courses. You can select the course according to your uh, like passion. We have creative courses like designing UI, UX, etc. You can start with coding courses well, like Python, etc. In the minimal cost. Can we use it for free without warning? Okay. If you are using a Windows device, you can use Windows Shift S to take snaps so that you can take pictures of that edited photographs without any watermark. Is it live and one-on-one? About the course, we are offering one-on-one as well as team courses. Yes, live courses are there. Web designing is, yes, web designing is a good. We can try from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Flutter is there. Flutter can be used for web designing as well. And if you are looking forward for designing only, you can select UI UX course. If you want to create stunning creatives like illustrations, vectors, you can choose graphic design. Then how can we download templates we made in this platform? There are download options is already available when we are working in the uh, platform. You can download that. Uh, just just look. I think there are there is a download option here. You can download it. Yes, we will be giving certificates. So any other doubts regarding this platform or anything else? So how was the course? How was the webinar actually? This is a 1 hour webinar free. There are students from both India and UAE. Also, not only students, there are professionals as well. Thank you for attending this webinar. Sir, for which field is coding is best? Python is one of the best coding language, and there are many platforms available for coding, and Python is used in every platform. So Python is best. There are some other programming languages as well. C, C++ is there. Flutter is there. JavaScript is there. HTML, CSS is there. Timings to attend on what? Yes, this class is a free webinar. This will happen in different topics every Fridays. Other courses are flexible, and you can approach us. We will be scheduling with you according your time. So which is the best programming language for web app game development? Okay, for web we use generally we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is simple, but we can use React as another platform. React is based on JavaScript programming language. App development can be done using React as well as Flutter. Flutter is the most emerging platform by Google. And for game development, we use Unity platform with C, C++ programming language. You can find our goal finder platform for uh, uh, finding your goals. Delete to access several courses. Our most modern courses are like Python programming is there, robotics is there. There are several other courses, game development, Scratch is there. We have advanced programs as well, and PG diploma courses as well. We will be having. So I hope everyone get the contact details and all, and our platform details as well. I think if sir this Django is useful for web development. Django is useful for backend development. It's a really good Python-based platform. For our updates, we have a course gen is at WhatsApp group is there. You can join the WhatsApp group. Already we have shared the email with all the details of our platform. Flask versus Django. I didn't use Flask. Django is good I don't have much knowledge in Flask. Uh, we can just refer and Google Flask is faster. Okay. So I think almost our doubts are clear. Uh, so we are this is the WhatsApp link for our updates and things. You can join the WhatsApp link for our more updates and details. You can contact our academic counselors for our details of the course and etc. Okay, you can write down the chats if any other doubts are there. Uh, so just I want to say that AI is taking up all the fields, but there are more opportunities coming over. When ChatGPT was introduced, there are less number of AI platforms. OpenAI was started in years back, but ChatGPT was the first tool that were engaging with people. I think many of us tried out ChatGPT. So after that, many companies started creating their tools. Currently, Adobe is with their AI tools. Uh, if you heard of Canva, Canva is a digital creative platform. They are also using AI field for uh, their activities. Uh, Also, Figma is there. Figma is also trying out to make out AI features. And there are so many other AI features like you can build your resumes, curriculum vitae. Okay, what's ChatGPT? Okay, ChatGPT is actually a open AI website. Like we use AI to generate our doubts, answers to our questions. That's ChatGPT. It's a AI co-pilot, like a chatbot. We can type whatever information we want. Like uh, I am asking ChatGPT itself about what is ChatGPT, what is he will tell. Okay, I am asking. This is the ChatGPT. Okay, you can access ChatGPT uh, just by googling it. You can find an OpenAI platform and you can sign up. And this is the platform. You can chat like a person. Like ChatGPT is almost like a human, like AI platform. They will answer according to an intelligence. Okay, ChatGPT is an advanced language program by OpenAI, and these are the details about ChatGPT. So you can create anything. You can ask for codes. Okay, like for example, I want code for simple uh, say what website, e-commerce website. Say, I don't know. So I'm just typing it. So it will generate an HTML code for our website. Okay, as simple as coding. Coding is very simple. I'm just what I just prompt like code for a sample simple e-commerce site. So it will give me a HTML code for that. If we run this code, uh, just a sample website or HTML website will be shown. So here is the CSS also is provided. JavaScript is also mentioned. So this is simple. If you want, we can have sessions on ChatGPT as well. So will it allow if I build a game using code? So ChatGPT is not trained on data resources after 2021. So we cannot customize what say full resource using ChatGPT. but we can clear the doubts. We can make sample codes. Then after that, we need to uh, say what we need to customize codes of our necessary needs. After that, we can upload it to Play Store. But it's a quite uh, time to develop games. We use Unity platform for developing games. We can use JavaScript for developing games, but it will take time to uh, create such uh, games. You can learn the course, then you can do it. You can use ChatGPT for help. Which is better, AI Copilot? Actually, AI Copilot, there are lots of AI Copilots available. Microsoft is developing one. I don't remember the name. Uh, Google has Bard, BARD, Bard is here. ChatGPT is here. So we'll get webinar recording. Both Google Bard and ChatGPT is good. There are so many emerging AI copilots are available. You can try out. Any other doubts? So like if you are creating something from, or if you are copying something from ChatGPT, and still uh, you try to copy and ask ChatGPT, is this is created by you? The ChatGPT will answer, the code was given by ChatGPT for someone with the name. They will answer like that. Like if you modify it, you will listen to answer. So everything ChatGPT delivers, uh, all are recorded, and if you someone asks it is created by ChatGPT or not, it will answer if it is created. Yes. What is IFLS, the app called? Any other doubts? Next class timing will be in the next Friday. We will update you with the posters. Okay, no doubts. Okay. So thank you all. Hope we will be meeting you in the next meetings and courses. You can stay updated on our social medias and update networks. Check out our website at all. So see you in the next class. Thank you. So I think you can leave the meeting. If you have any doubts, you can stay here. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting. Thank you.